Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect this Jabra earphones to your Android device. So first of all, we have to focus on this panel right here. We are going to use this button. So we have to click and hold this button until we turns off this device. Next, click and hold this one more time to turn it on and let it activate this Bluetooth LED icon. Right now they are in the pairing mode. So on our phone we can simply go to the Bluetooth settings right here and then click to pair new device. As you can see, they appears on the list, the Jabra Evolve 65E. So tap on it once and then wait for the pairing request. Then accept it, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.